my dear brothers and sisters. If we are trying to control and stop the Lord when He wishes to bring goodness, graces, and blessings to our life, we might need to think twice. When it comes to good plans and great stories, we cannot stop the Lord from doing those. As the apostles were doing their part in their mission to preach the Lord, we realize once more, as we have heard a while ago, how trials and even people were trying to stop them. Kahit ang pagkakakulong na isilang pigilan. Pero nagkakamali sila dito. Nothing, or maybe no one, can stop them. Persecutions never stopped them. The prison walls did not even stop them from preaching about the Lord. On the one end, food was not enough for the hungry crowd who followed the Lord. Ang masaklap, nasa disyerto pa sila. A place where it seems that you do not have anywhere to go for a supply and run for a need. It was a hopeless place. But thanks to that little boy with 5 loaves and 2 fish, and for Jesus, for not stopping the miracle, all were able to eat, all were satisfied. Hindi lang sila nakakain o nakatikim, pero nabusog sila. And as St. John recounted, they had more than they could eat. My dear brothers and sisters, no one can stop the Lord in doing miracles for us. The prison wall did not stop the apostles from preaching about the Lord. The desert was no hindrance for a miracle to happen. Wherever we are, whatever point of life we may be, we cannot stop the Lord from blessing us and doing miracles for us. Mahirap kalabanin o kontrolin yung kabutihan ng ating Panginoon. Even in the most difficult, or shall we say, even in the unexpected events of life, miracles and blessings can do happen. No prison, no desert, even none of us can stop Him from doing His work. We celebrate today Saint Athanasius, and Saint Athanasius fought for this. He fought for the divinity of Jesus. And as Jesus feels with us and is one with us, knowing our needs as a person, He is always with us as a great God, ready to make miracles possible and every blessing possible as well.